Oh, I can't see her on the boxes. Oh.
Max, why would you do that?
What are you talking about? I just brought the snacks you asked me for.
You spilled my soda,
It
Max.
was just an accident.
You need to be more careful.
You guys stop! You guys want to argue, huh?
Huh? Whoa! Whoa, where are we?
Why did we change clothes? Welcome to the Duck Bucket Challenge. Whoever hits the target gets a point. And if you miss, you guys have to switch places.
Oh, that sounds easy.
You're going down, Max.
So let the challenge begin. Time to fill the bucket.
Ew, canned beans!
Hope you like them, Mia, because I'm gonna win this one.
Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to throw the ball.
Ready, Max? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Yes! You're about to be served a hot plate of beans, Mia.
All right, guys, get into position.
Yes! Hope you're ready, Mia.
There's so many beans. Gross!
Congratulations, Max, you got the point for this round.
Yes!
All right, I hope you guys like hot dogs. First, I'll add the hot dogs, and now the condiments.
Ooh, I love hot dogs!
Oh, me too, but I don't want it on my head.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, let's see who gets to throw. Mia, since you lost, you get to spin first.
Yes!
Man.
Oh man, I have to sit again?
Yes, I love throwing.
Here you go, Max.
Hope you're ready for your second course. What? Oh no!
Yes! Now it's your turn to get dunked, Max!
Can I just get one more throw?
Sorry, Max, rules are rules.
Haha!
Man. I hope she misses.
I'm feeling lucky this round!
Oh, ew, this is so gross.
Yes, I win!
Good job, Mia. You get the point for this round.
Yay!
The next meal I'm making for you guys will be perfect. Mwah.
Spaghetti?
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. I need to add the final ingredient. Now let's see who gets to throw.
Spaghetti and pickles?
That sounds so gross!
Oh no!
Here you go, Mia.
I hope you're ready! Let's dunk Max again.
Oh, pickles and spaghettis are gross! Ugh.
Nice pair, Max!
Nice, Mia. You got the point.
Yes, I'm winning!
Get it off!
Woo! Let's see what's next. Whipped cream, soda, and peas.
Oh, peas and whipped cream?
Haha, you're gonna get dunked again, Max.
Huh?
You guys have to throw the ball at this ladder. Whoever gets the lowest score gets done.
That's easy.
I'm gonna win this one.
All right, guys. 3, 2, 1, throw.
Yes, I got 20.
Oh, I got 10.
All right, Max, you get to throw.
Yeah. Enjoy those peas, Mia.
Oh, yes!
Whoa, nice splash.
I got you.
I'm never eating peas again. Ugh.
Good throw, Max. You got the point for this one.
Yeah.
Everyone knows it's important to have a balanced breakfast.
Ooh, cereal?
Fruit Loops are my favorite.
I'm gonna add eggs for protein and syrup for flavor.
Ew.
Now let's see who gets to throw. Whoever finds a $100 bill gets to throw.
Oh man.
Yes, I got the 100.
Nice, Mia. You get to throw.
Breakfast time. I hope you're hungry, Max. Yes!
Congratulations, Mia. You got the point.
Yay!
Can we just go to the next one?
All right, Max. The weather's perfect for a barbecue. Let's flip a coin to see who throws. Call it out, guys.
Oh, heads.
3, 2, 1, flip. Oh, looks like heads wins.
Oh, yes.
And oh no.
I hope you like barbecue sauce, Mia. What? That's not fair.
What are you doing?
Take this.
Max! No fair!
Since you did that, Max, Mia gets the point.
Yay!
Hope you guys like chocolate and cheese. I'll add the Nutella and the cheese and top it off with a Cool Whip. Since Max broke the rules, Mia, you get to throw first.
I'm gonna get you back, Max. This is for the barbecue.
Good job, Mia, you got the point.
Yes!
At least this one tastes good.
All right, guys, let's move on to the next round. All right, guys, final round. Choose your card.
Yes, throw!
Oh, sit again? Wait, what's in the bucket?
For this round, whoever gets to throw gets to choose the food.
Yes! I'm in the mood for some Italian food. Let's make a pizza bucket.
Huh?
First, we'll add the breadsticks, some marinara, and can't forget the ranch. Now to top it off with some Parmesan cheese.
Ooh, the bucket smells delicious, Mia. Here's the bowl.
Hope you like it.
Man.
I made it just for you, Max.
Congrats, Mia. You won the Dunk Bucket Challenge.
Yay! I told you I was gonna win, Max.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs